that one might look really fascinating in performance because of so much contrast. You're going from this tight little thing that I feel like when you look at an air wrap, it's like, wait, what? No, that didn't happen. And then you just dismiss it. Which is, by the way, the reason when you said this was really hard, when you said the repetitions of it was really hard. One of the reasons I learned this was because I thought in performance, people would have no clue what was going on with an air wrap, because I remember knowing about Poi and seeing it and being incredulous that I was actually seeing it. And I think if you only do one, you're almost doing a disservice to the move, because it doesn't have enough time to express itself to a muggle for them to even grasp what's going on. In fact, a muggle might look at it and think you're making a mistake because of the way that the tension on the string changes the size and shape of the circle. So I think to demonstrate that it's mastery, it actually is better presented in a repetitive succession so that people can grok it a little bit better. That's just my opinion. Your mileage may vary. I mean, that's an artistic choice, but it's not just an artistic choice, it's a performance choice. As an artist, you may not give a shit whether the audience gets it, but as a performer, where you want to reach the audience with a message, it might be a valuable distinction to have. So and I can see why you'd go both ways.